Here is my trading terminal. Today I made something 1000 near about. Today I made this amount. And
Hello guys, we are back with another video, and today's interesting thing is that he's not ready to speak and practice. Is not in the mood of speaking, but as you know that I'm here to ask him to practice every day. Though in between we took a little break because of certain circumstances, and you must come across certain situations where you also don't feel motivated and you don't want to practice consistently. And once you break the consistency, it breaks the momentum, and you then face that you are lacking in speaking again and your English is not improving. And that happens with everyone. It happened with me too, but I experienced it that once we maintain the consistency, how much it impacts. So that is why I am again asking him to do the speaking practice today. So you must be curious that what he else he sorry you must be curious to know that what else he does except learning English, right? So I asked him today to let's talk about the things he does except learning English. And though sometimes I say that do not waste time in this now, and that is why I don't appreciate much in this case, but still he's doing today. So can you show people that what you are doing and what else do you do?
yeah, today I am not in mood. So improve English and speak English and learn English because I do trading and investing. Because when I meet people on Telegram, guys, I message there, and then from Telegram I connect co-learners and with beginners, intermediate level person. So people ask me one question: what do you do apart from English and your whole day, your daily routine? But I made a video on that topic. But nowadays people ask me one question: how do you do, what do you do? And so then I ask him, I do trading and investing. So people ask me, how do you trading and investing? So then I click, then this point click my mind, and then I thought कि मुझे एक सेपरेट वीडियो बनाना चाहिए इस टॉपिक पे. देन टुडे I am not in mood to learn English. So I then I then I thought कि चलो make a video on trading and investing. And so
No, he
आज
was not in mood, so he started doing trading and all. He just sat on his PC. But then I came to just initiate this conversation to, while even doing it, he can describe it, right? Okay, so when I was watching that day, I was using my mobile phone. You said that that is a waste of time, though I was learning that. What about you? This thing that you are doing, isn't it a waste of time?
no, here is not waste of time, but here is my business, and here I generate little bit money, like my pocket money and my other expenses. So that's why here is my business. And English is just like good communication, because I improve because of good communication, because I do trading in forex. So forex English is more important, and so that's why I start English and YouTube channel. So that's why I consistent कि मैं consistent बना रहूँ, consistent बनी रहे. And
But many people say that you lose money if you do trading and all. So isn't it a very scary thing? And do you also don't feel scared of losing money here?
yeah, initial days I lose money, I huge big money lose, but now I am stable and I make money, my pocket money and my other expenses. So nowadays I am stable, and now I generate money from forex trading. And here is my business, here is my chart and everything. Let me show you guys. Now I show you how do I practice, how do I not practice, वो इंग्लिश में चला गया. How do I make money from trading and investing? So let's see, guys. So guys, here is my trading terminal, and here is a chart of gold. Forex trading I do trading gold, and here is a chart, and here is market ups and downs, because chart is more important in this factor. and here is market up and downs, and I do practice, and then I punch trade on my trading terminal. Here is my trading account, here is my chart account. So I observe everything here, and I study everything here. Then I punch trade on my trading platform on my account. Then I made little bit money. Then I made my pocket money. And here is a chart. You know, a chart is more important. Here up and downs, I practice and I predict upcoming market. मार्केट कहाँ जाने वाली है, मतलब मार्केट गोइंग अप या मार्केट विल गोइंग डाउन. So here is everything, and here is my study. Here is my trading terminal. Today I made something 1000 near about. Today I made this amount. And one more thing, guys, if you are interested in trading, and if you are doing trading investing, so then you can comment below. And here is my Telegram handle. If you know about trading and investing, then you can message me on Telegram, and so we can discuss about trading and investing. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.